Welcome back to Auto Snuff, where we balance automotive passion, real-world detail, and honest reviews. Today, we're diving into the 2026 Tesla Model Y, refresh-coated Juniper. It's not just a facelift. It's a thoughtful upgrade aimed at keeping Tesla's flagship EV at the cutting edge. We'll unpack performance, design, tech, and value. Let's get rolling. The 2026 Model Y builds on what made Tesla's midsize SUV a bestseller, but addresses key owner criticisms. It's smoother, quieter, and more refined, without losing its sporty character. It strikes that rare balance, still fun to drive, but more polished and livable for day-to-day use. Tesla redesigned nearly the entire exterior. A faceted LED light bar, inspired by the Cybertruck, gives the front end fresh aggression and improves aerodynamics. With a drag coefficient of 0.22, it's sleeker, quieter, and more efficient. Body tweaks include new mirrors, redesigned bumpers, and one-piece taillights that reduce parts and enhance repairability. The subtle length increase and lowered ride height improve stability and aesthetics, making the Model Y feel more modern, yet unmistakably Tesla. Tesla's minimalist interior remains, but has evolved. Acoustic glass and stiffer chassis reduce cabin noise by 25 to 30%. Speakers are now hidden, and new vegan suede and ambient lighting lend a premium feel. The 15.4-inch touchscreen remains the command center, now paired with a new rear passenger 8-inch screen for climate and entertainment. Ventilated front seats, power recline second row, and increased storage make the SUV truly family-friendly. Steering now features a traditional stalk, improving usability, and the gear selector moves to the screen. Tesla's design remains sparse, but build quality and feel are undeniably elevated. Performance carries over, but with refinement. The long-range AWD delivers 327 miles EPA range and 4.4 seconds 0 to 60 miles per hour. The Launch Series hits 4.1 seconds with acceleration boost, retaining 320 miles range. Ride comfort sees a major boost thanks to revised suspension and chassis tweaks. Handling remains sharp, but refinement is improved. Turn-in is better, road feel is lively, and daily usability is much improved. With a 75 kilowatt-hour battery and up to 250 kilowatts fast charging, the Model Y continues to be a standout in driving range, tech, and charging access. Tesla's Supercharger network still dominates for long-distance trips. Tesla began rolling out the 2026 Model Y Juniper in early 2025 in China, with North American and European availability from spring 2025. Regular AWD long-range pricing begins at $50,380, including destination, while the Launch Series is priced around $61,630, with FSD included. Tesla plans to offer a more affordable variant focused on cost efficiency by early 2026, especially in China, possibly expanding globally. The updated Model Y strikes a strong balance between sportiness and practicality. Families will appreciate the spacious cabin, flat-fold seats, and rear touchscreen. The quieter ride and refined suspension transform long drives into relaxed journeys. Instant torque and supercharger access give it unbeatable real-world usability. Tesla's refresh is meaningful. The 2026 Model Y sharpens its edge, still fast, tech-packed, with market-leading charging, but now smoother, quieter, and more refined. If you're due for a new EV, the Model Y remains a top pick. Just weigh FSD cost and screen-heavy controls versus other EVs. Thanks for tuning in to this deep dive on the 2026 Tesla Model Y Juniper. What do you think? Worth the upgrade or good enough already? Drop your thoughts below, smash that like, tap the bell, and subscribe to Auto Snuff for honest reviews and real-world auto insight.